Dave here, getting out of my truck. Go slide my tandems. And look what I find. Some idiot truck driver cuts his seal and leaves it there. Now what do you think that does? Somebody runs it over and gets it in their tire. Too damn lazy to pick it up. I'll do it. Look at that thing. They go right in your tire. I've seen it many, many times. People I work with and all that, just no consideration. Stupid. So what I had to do is pull this, and it didn't stick long enough, so I had to put that there, pull it out, and then lock it with the vice grips so my pins will stay in. And then I will slide my tires to the rear. A lot of times places like to do that so that way it's a safety issue. Sometimes that the dock plate will match up with the height of the wheels in the back. So I'm going to get a load of Starbucks coffee, I believe. So anyways, just wanted to show you how stupid people are. I mean, it's stupid. But you run into stupidity everywhere you go. Little design on the side of my box. Alright. Little advertisement for Valley Truck Center. Dave out, hit the like button. Gotta get in the dock. Move my wheels.